another J insulator video. So with you today, the Tuesday video that I was showing you, the outside temperature, I didn't want to share that, was 19 degrees. And then in the dial right there that you can see, the attic temperature was actually 28 degrees. So we're talking about sort of a 9 degree Celsius difference. So that's why I want to tell you guys to get started on your attic renovation projects if you have any before the summer kicks in and the real heat starts kicking in, especially if you have a low attic. And here are a couple of tips for you. One of the recommendations that I have for you is to top up your attic before it gets too hot, because especially if you want to remove the insulation in your attic and you've got a shallow attic, which again, if you're going to be adding insulation or you're going to be doing a home renovation, probably means that your house is older like mine and the attic is shallow. I've gone to many attics where you've only got about 2 feet of clearance. You're basically doing crawling in there. If that's the case, the attic gets really hot, especially during the summer. I'm sure that the people in Texas or Arizona know all about the heat, and anywhere really that's on the south side. Here in Canada, it gets really humid as well, so there's definitely the humidity factor. So if you're going to do this now. Still make sure that you bring lots of water when you're doing home renovations.